Soul of brothers and sisters, good morning to all. Today's session is continuation of compounds of sulfur, that is sulfuric acid. Last class we have discussed about preparation of sulfuric acid. There are lead chamber process, contact process from iron pyrite, from green vitriol and oleum properties, that is a physical property. Sulfuric acid creates affinity with water. It forms the associated intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Boiling point is high, about 590 Kelvin, and high viscosity. This one dissolve in water, produce larger amount of gas, that is a heat. This reaction known as a exothermic reaction. Another one, chemical property. First one, dissociation, acidic nature, oxidizing property, reaction with metal, reaction with the salt. Now we are discuss about reaction with the organic compound, that is a sulfonation. In the sulfonation, concentrated sulfuric acid or fuming sulfuric acid act as a catalyst. This one approach to the organic compound to form the stable compound. For example, H2SO4, that is a concentrated sulfuric acid, will give SO3 HSO4 minus H3 plus. Common hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, here 1, here 4, 3, so 2. Common sulfur, 2 sulfur, here 1. Common oxygen, 8 oxygen, is a 3 plus 4, 7, this oxygen, negative and positive charge neutralize. This one acts as a electrophile. That is a neutral electrophile. Another one, H2S2O7, this name oleum or unhydrated sulfuric acid. This decomposition will give HSO3 positive charge and HSO4 negative charge. This one acts as a electrophile. Electrophile nothing but electro means negative, phile means loving, which carrying the positive charge. This approach the benzene nucleus. Concentrated sulfuric acid heated at 330 Kelvin. These two are react with the benzene nucleus. How to react it? HO What is the uses of concentrated sulfuric acid? Concentrated sulfuric acid creates affinity with the water. This is a powerful dehydrating agent, remove the water. Hydrogen from the benzene nucleus. Sulfuric acid is what OH group can be replaced and formation of plus water. Benzene sulfonic acid. Another compound. This name naphthalene. React with the sulfuric acid in the presence of mercury as a catalyst. This bond undergo break. Formation of phthalic acid. Side product SO2. Sulfuric acid produces SO2. This hydrogen react with oxygen to form H2O is a carbon dioxide. These are the major product. Sulfuric acid react with organic compound. This reaction known as a sulfonation reaction produce electrophile. Electrophile approach the benzene nucleus to form stable compound that is named benzene sulfonic acid. This one example for aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. This type of question may be asked the NEET or one mark question. Another one, chemical property, dehydration. Sulfuric acid, greater affinity with water, it acts as a powerful dehydrating agent. Point number 1. Sharing of sugar, that is C12, H22, O11, name is called sucrose. This one react with the sulfuric acid, that is a concentrated sulfuric acid, to form carbon plus water. This is sugar charcoal. Balance the equation. How to balance the equation? Here how many carbon? 12 carbon, so 12 carbon. Here how many hydrogen? 22 hydrogen. Here is only 2, so 11. How many oxygen? 11 oxygen, 11 oxygen. Equation should be balanced. Another point. Dehydration of formic acid and oxalic acid. Formic acid, the compound treated with H2SO4, that is a concentrated sulfuric acid acts as a powerful dehydrating agent, removal of water. Carbon monoxide and water. Oxalic acid, react with the same concentrated sulfuric acid, removal of water and carbon dioxide. Another one is a carbon monoxide. Carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and water. Sulfuric acid used to removal of water compound. This is known as dehydration agent. Another one example. Intramolecular dehydration. For example, CH2 hydrogen, CH2 OH. This name ethanol. Treated with a concentrated sulfuric acid. This compound undergo beta elimination. Functional group nearest carbon alpha, next beta. Beta hydrogen removed by the OH group. To formation of olefin, that is ethene plus water. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding is what? Intramolecular dehydration, nothing but removal of water within the molecules. Another one, intermolecular dehydration. CH3, CH2, OH, HO, CH2, CH3. React with the concentrated sulfuric acid. So removal of water to formation of CH3, CH2, O, CH2, CH3 plus water. This name ethoxy ethane. This is a ethox group, ethane, 2 carbon ethane. This reaction maintains the temperature 343 Kelvin or 443 Kelvin. This one maintain the temperature 410 Kelvin. This reaction example for nucleophilic substitution reaction. This one example for elimination reaction. These are inter or intramolecular dehydration. Another one reaction with PCl5. PCl5 nothing but phosphorus pentachloride. Here there are two hydrogen. Two hydrogen can be replaced by the excess of PCl5. Cl, PCl3. Cl, PCl3, Cl. What is the product? Cl, S double bond O, Cl plus POCl3. POCl3. How many times? 2 times. 2 times. 2 times of PCl5. How many HCl? 2 times of HCl. This name sulfuryl chloride. Sulfuric acid react with excess of PCl5 because of sulfuric acid which containing the 2 hydrogen, that is a basicity 2, who react with 2 times of PCl5 to form sulfuryl chloride. Another one, precipitation reaction. Precipitation reaction nothing but test for sulfate and sulfuric acid. Here one more concept. Aqueous solution of calcium, strontium, barium and lead salts react with the dilute sulfuric acid to form white precipitate. This precipitate insoluble in concentrated H2SO4 and concentrated nitric acid. These are the concept. If any compound will give the white precipitate, this test confirmed by the sulfate. For example, barium chloride react with H2SO4, that is a dilute sulfuric acid. Barium valency 2, sulfate valency -2, formation of barium sulfate as a precipitate. What precipitate? White precipitate. Plus, what about remaining? Hydrogen react with the chlorine to form 2 times of HCl. This is the first example. Another one example. This name lead acetate. Lead acetate react with dilute sulfuric acid. Acetate react with hydrogen. Lead react with SO4 to formation of BbSO4 as a white precipitate. Plus 2 times of CH3 COOH. This name barium sulfate, this one name lead sulfate, this one name acetic acid, this one name hydrochloric acid. This for test for sulfate and sulfuric acid. Another one, drying gas. H2, Cl2, N2, O2. This react with concentrated sulfuric acid reaction not at possible. This constant sulfuric acid can be tried by using this type of gases. So constant sulfuric acid acts as a drying gases, oxidizing property, powerful dehydrating agent. Another one, structure of sulfuric acid and sulfate. This bond is shifted here. This symbol known as resonance symbol. This bond is shifted here. This undergo break. This undergo shifted here, this break. Sulfur exhibit tetrahedral. This sulfur exhibit sp3 hybridization. Sulfur exhibit sp3 hybridization. Sulfur and oxygen, all the bond length are equal, that is a 149 picometer. Here one more question, bond order. What is the formula for bond order? Number of bond formed between the two atoms divided by total number of resonance structure. These are the formula for the bond order. Totally commonly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Commonly resonance structure 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, that is a 1.5. This type of question may be asked the need. Bond order of sulfuric acid is a 1.5. Sulfur exhibit sp3 hybridization, that is a tetrahedral. All the sulfur and oxygen bond length are equal, about 149 picometer. These are the structure of sulfate and sulfuric acid. Another one, uses. Sulfuric acid, it is used to manufacture a fertilizer. This name is called ammonium sulfate. This name called as a superphosphate of lime. Next point, in chemical industry, point number 1, sulfuric acid is used to manufacture various chemicals like HCl, HNO3, orthophosphoric acid, sulfate and bisulfate. Another one, sulfuric acid used to manufacture of organic compounds like dyes, drugs, paints, pigments, detergent, etc. Another one more important point is explosive compound. Sulfuric acid is used to preparation of explosive, DNT, like that. These are the uses for sulfuric acid. Another one, structure of oxyacids of sulfur. sulfur form many oxyacid. Among the sulfuric acid is very important. First one, sulfurous acid series. What is the sulfurous acid formula? That is first one, sulfurous acid. Structure. These are the structure. Here sulfur which containing the lone pair, this one acts as a powerful reducing agent. This sulfur exhibit sp3 hybridization atom. Another one is a formula. What is the formula? Common hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, sulfur SO3. Sulfurous acid. This one is a structure. Sulfur exhibit sp3 hybridization. This one acts as a powerful reducing agent. Formula H2SO3. How to find out the oxidation state? Sulfur bonded with 3 different oxygen atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. How to find out the average oxidation state? Here hydrogen oxidation 1, common hydrogen 2 hydrogen. Is a sulfur is X unknown. Another one is oxygen, common oxygen, 3 oxygen, oxidation state -2 equal to 0. What is the formula for to find out oxidation number? Total number of various atom of element in a molecule should be equal to 0. These are the formula for to find out the oxidation state. 2 plus x minus 6 equal to 0, x equal to plus 1. One more question may be asked. In the sulfurous acid, sulfur exhibit what hybridization? sp3 hybridization. What about oxidation state? +4. Another one example, that is a thiosulfurous acid. Structure. This is a structure for thio. This is a thio compound. Thiosulfurous acid. Formula H2S2O2. How to find out oxidation state? These are different sulfur. That is a S star. Here sulfur star oxidation state -2. This sulfur oxidation state 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a +4. How to find out overall oxidation state? These are 2x -4 equal to 0. 2x -2 equal to 0. x2 +1. How to ask the question? What is the oxidation state of sulfur? That is a +1. What is the various oxidation state of sulfur in thiosulfurous acid? Maybe ask me. This sulfur exhibit is a -2. This sulfur exhibit +4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is another one example. Next, hyposulfurous acid. Another name, hydrosulfurous acid. Another name, dithionous acid. All are same. One more question may be asked different way. What is the structure? common hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, common sulfur, 2 sulfur, common oxygen is a 4 oxygen. What is the formula for hyposulfurous acid? H2S2O7. This one exhibit how to find out the oxidation state. That is a 2. Common sulfur is a 2x. Common oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a 4 minus 2 equal to 0. So 2x minus 6 equal to 0. X equal to plus 3. Both sulfur exhibit what is the overall, that is average oxidation state of sulfur is a plus 3 compound. Another one, pyrosulfurous acid or disulfurous acid are the same structure. This is structure. What is the formula? Common hydrogen 2 hydrogen H2, common sulfur S2, common oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 oxygen. One more question may be asked. What is the formula for pyrosulfurous acid H2S2O5? This sulfur exhibit 1, 2, 3, 4. That is what is the overall oxidation state? H2S2O5. That is a 2. 2x 5 minus 2 equal to 0. That is 2x 2 minus 10 equal to 0. So x equal to plus 4. Overall oxidation state of sulfur in that common end, this is a plus 4. What is this sulfur oxidation state? 1, 2, 3 plus 3. This sulfur oxidation state 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Plus 3 for pyrosulfurous acid. Plus 5 for disulfurous acid. What is the overall oxidation state of sulfur? It is a plus 4. This type of question may be asked in the NEET. Another one, sulfuric acid series. First one, sulfuric acid formula, that is a structural formula. This is a formula H2SO4. 2 hydrogen sulfur is a 1 sulfur, oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is exhibit sp3 hybridization. How to find out oxidation state? 2 plus x 4 minus 2 equal to 0. X equal to plus x. Sulfur exhibit plus x. Among the various oxy acids of sulfur, sulfuric acid is very important. This sulfur exhibit plus 6 oxidation state. This one act as a powerful oxidizing agent, drying agent, dehydrating agent. Another one, thiosulfuric acid. Structure, what is the formula? H2S2 1, 2, 3. 4, 3. This sulfur exhibit minus 2 oxidation state. This sulfur exhibit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 6 oxidation state. Overall oxidation state 2, 2x minus 6 equal to 0. So 2x minus 4 equal to 0, x equal to plus 2. Overall oxidation state plus 2. This sulfur exhibit is a plus 6, this sulfur exhibit minus 2. Another one, pyrosulfuric acid. Formula, that is a structural formula. HO, S double bond O, O, S double bond O, double bond O, OH. Pyrosulfuric acid, another name, oleum. What is the formula? How many hydrogen is a 2 hydrogen? That is a H2. How many sulfur is a 2 sulfur? How many oxygen is a 7 oxygen? What is the formula for pyrosulfuric acid? H2, S2, O7. This sulfur exhibit plus 6 oxygen state. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another one, thionic acid series. Formula H2 SN O6 N is equal to 1 to 12. For example, dithionic acid. Structure HO double bond O double bond O S double bond O double bond O OH. What is the formula? How many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen. H2. How many sulfur? S2. How many oxygen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 oxygen. This sulfur exhibit sp3 hybridization. What is the oxygen state? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is a plus 5 oxygen state. How to calculate average oxygen state? How many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen 2, sulfur 2x minus 6 equal to 0. Here 2. Oxygen state minus 2, 2 into 6 12. So 2x minus 10 equal to 0, x equal to plus 5. Both sulfur exhibit plus 5 oxygen state, both sulfur exhibit sp3 hybridization. Another one, tetrathionic acid. That is a HO, S double bond O, sulfur, hydrogen. Tetra means there are 4 sulfur. 1, 2, 3, 4 sulfur. How many hydrogen? H2, S4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 oxygen. How to find out the oxidation state? This one oxygen state is a 0. How many hydrogen? Is a 2 hydrogen. How many is what oxygen? Is a here 6 minus 2 plus 2x equal to 0. 2 minus 12, 2x equal to 0. 10, 2x equal to 0. X equal to plus 5 oxygen. Whatever may be any thionic acid series as sulfur exhibit plus 5 oxidation state. Another one, peroxysulfuric acid series. That is a Harrow's acid or peroxomonosulfuric acid. Structure these are the structure. Basicity 2. These are what linkage? Is a peroxide linkage. What is a molecular formula? How many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen, H2. How many sulfur? Yes. How many oxygen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So O5. One more question may be asked. What is the formula for Harrow's acid? H2SO5. Sulfur exhibit, what is oxygen state? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 6 oxygen. How to find out overall oxidation state? That is a 2 hydrogen. How many oxygen? 1, 2, 3 oxygen. Common oxygen, peroxide oxygen 2, that is a minus 1 equal to 0. 2 minus 6 minus 2, that is a x equal to 0 plus x equal to 0. 2 to cancel, x equal to plus 6. Oxidation state of sulfur in Caros acid is plus 6. Another one more compound, peroxo disulfuric acid or Marshall's acid. Structure, this is structure. What is the formula? Common hydrogen 2 hydrogen H2, common sulfur S2, common oxygen 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. What is the formula for Marshall acid? H2 S2 O8. How to find out oxidation state? This is a peroxide form, oxidation state minus 1. Common hydrogen 2 hydrogen 2 plus common oxygen 1 2 3 4 5 6 oxygen state minus 2. Common peroxide oxygen 2, peroxide oxygen state minus 1, that is a 2x equal to 0. 2 minus 2 is a 2x equal to 0. 2 to cancel. 2x equal to 12, x equal to plus 6 oxygen state. One more important question. In that component, how many sigma bond, how many pi bonds are present? Number of sigma bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 sigma bond. Number of pi bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. This type of question may be asked the one more question. In H2S2O8, what's the name? Marshall acid or peroxo disulfuric acid. What is the oxidation state? Is a plus 6 oxidation state. Number of sigma bond 11. Number of pi bond 4. For this component, how many sigma bond? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sigma bond. How many pi bond? 1, 2. 2 pi bond. Among the structure of oxyacid sulfur, Caros acid and Marshall acid, very important. This type of question may be asked the NEET. Let us recall the chemical properties of sulfuric acid. First chemical property, reaction with organic compound. This one example for aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Another one, considered sulfuric acid is a powerful dehydrating agent, removal of water. Another one, reaction with P-sulfide. Next, precipitation reaction. Precipitation reaction, another for test for sulfate and sulfuric acid and form white precipitate. This white precipitate insoluble in concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated nitric acid. Next, structure for sulfuric acid. In that sulfur exhibit sp3 hybridization, bond order is 1.5. Another one is a structure of oxyacids of sulfur. There are different type of oxyacid, formula, compound, oxygen state. How to practice the structure and equation regularly, then get highest mark. Good luck.